Is your manufacturing operation really awesome, or just busy? In this video from JRG Consulting Group, we'll show you how to cut costs, boost throughput, and turn your factory into a true high-performance operation. Let's get started. Welcome to our modular block-inspired aerospace factory. And yes, everything is awesome, except the operations. The shop floor is flooded with work-in-progress components. Parts are stacked everywhere. Nobody's sure what's started, what's waiting, or what's late. Cycle times are painfully long because jobs constantly sit in queues instead of moving. Machines keep breaking down, forcing last-minute rerouting and rework just to get anything out the door. There's little organization. Tools, fixtures, and materials are scattered like loose modular block bricks after a kid's birthday party. From a Lean Six Sigma perspective, this place is a masterclass in waste. Excess WIP, long lead times, constant downtime, and chaos on the floor. And the worst part: even with all this activity, the factory still can't consistently meet customer demand. Now, here's the same modular block aerospace factory after a serious lean transformation. Work-in-progress components are tightly controlled. Only the right number of jobs are on the floor at any time. Cycle times are shorter than customer takt time, so the plant can comfortably meet customer demand instead of chasing it. The shop floor is spotless and well-organized. Everything has a place, and everything is in its place. Total productive maintenance keeps machines running smoothly, reducing unplanned downtime and surprises. Visual management is everywhere. Clear boards, signals, and status lights mean every modular block character instantly knows what's running, what's stopped, and what needs help. This factory hasn't just stopped the fire. It's running in smooth, predictable flow, turning chaos into consistent, high-quality output. So how do you go from a modular block aerospace factory that's constantly on fire to one that runs in smooth, predictable flow? That's where JRG Consulting Group comes in. We work side by side with your team to uncover hidden waste, tame excess work in progress, and redesign your value streams around true flow and customer takt time. We stabilize processes using Lean Six Sigma, align around real constraints instead of guessing, and put in place visual management and shop floor routines that keep everyone on the same page. From there, we help you build disciplined maintenance and operating systems so equipment stays reliable and throughput becomes consistent, not accidental. The result is a factory that feels less like an emergency response and more like a well-choreographed modular block movie. Only this time, everything really is awesome on the shop floor. To dive deeper into operational excellence and hyperautomation, and to see how these ideas can apply in your organization, visit jrgcg.com. You will find more insights, practical tools, and ways we can help you accelerate your transformation. Again, that's jrgcg.com. Check it out to learn more.